Walk into any luxury home and pay attention to what you don't see. No clutter, no chaos, no random stuff sitting everywhere. Just calm, clean, intentional space. And here's the thing nobody tells you. That feeling, it doesn't come from buying expensive things. It comes from removing the wrong ones. Today we're going through 25 things that are quietly making your home look cheaper than it actually is. We're counting down from 25 to 1, and I promise you, by the time we hit number 1, you'll be looking around your home with completely different eyes. A lot of these things are sitting in your home right now. Let's get into it. Number 25. Worn-out doormats. Your front door is the first impression your home makes before anyone even steps inside. A faded, flattened doormat says this home is tired. Swap it for a fresh, simple coir or jute mat. Natural fiber, clean, minimal. First impression, fixed. Number 24. Mismatched hangers. If you have open closets, this one matters more than you think. A mix of wire, plastic, and wooden hangers reads as disorganized chaos. Replace everything with matching slim velvet hangers. Costs almost nothing. The closet goes from messy to curated instantly. Fridge magnets and door clutter. Photos, takeout menus, old grocery lists, all of it stuck to the fridge. Professional kitchen designers keep that surface completely bare. Clear it off. Store what matters somewhere else. The kitchen feels twice as spacious the moment you do it. Which of these first 5 do you need to tackle? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Number 22. Expired products on countertops. Look at your kitchen and bathroom right now. Are there half-empty bottles, old supplements, or products you haven't touched in months? That's visual clutter, and it signals neglect. Only keep what you're actively using, and even then, put it away when you're done. Number 21. Dust-collecting decorative items. Little figurines, souvenir shells, trinkets from a decade ago, they seem harmless, but they silently steal elegance from every shelf they sit on. Professional home stagers remove more than half the decorative items before a shoot. The result looks instantly calmer and more refined. Try it. Number 20. Visible plastic storage bins. Plastic bins are useful, just not when you can see them from the living room. Switch to woven baskets, linen boxes, or wooden crates. Same function, completely different feel. The warmth those natural materials bring is immediate. Number 19. Overcrowded open shelves. Open shelving can look stunning, but only when it's not packed full. When every inch is filled, the eye doesn't know where to rest. Luxury interiors use negative space on purpose. That empty space isn't wasted, it's what makes everything else breathe. Remove at least half of what's on your shelves. The transformation will genuinely shock you. If you're watching this and thinking, I definitely have that problem, comment guilty below. You are not alone, I promise. Number 18. Too many competing colors. When a room has too many colors without structure, it feels restless. High-end interiors almost always follow one rule. One dominant color, one supporting tone, one accent. That's 3. Count the colors in your room right now. If you're past 3, it's time to simplify. Number 17. Visible cables and cords. TV cables, phone chargers, extension cords across the floor. Once you notice them, you can't stop noticing them. Cable management boxes, cord clips, routing channels, these are cheap and easy. Get the cables out of sight. This single step does more for a room's appearance than most furniture upgrades ever could. To number 16, short curtains. Curtains that end below the window or halfway down the wall make a room feel small and unfinished. Hang the rod high, close to the ceiling, and let the curtains graze the floor. Your eye goes up, the ceiling feels taller, the room feels grander. You don't have to buy new curtains, just move the rod. We drop tips like this every single week on Senior Decluttering Diaries. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button right now. Your future home will thank you. Number 15. Flat, deflated throw pillows. Go press the throw pillows on your sofa right now. Do they spring back or just stay flat? Flat pillows make the whole sofa look old and tired. Interior stylists replace the inserts, not just the covers. A fresh insert costs very little and completely refreshes the look of your seating. Number 14. A cluttered coffee table. The coffee table is one of the most looked at surfaces in any living room. Designers follow a simple rule: 3 elements only. A book or two, a natural element like a small plant or stone, and 1 decorative piece. Group them. Leave open space around them. The table goes from neglected to designed in 5 minutes. Number 13. Cheap or fake-looking artificial plants. Not all fake plants are a problem, just the obviously fake ones. Stiff plastic leaves, unnatural proportions, colors that look nothing like real foliage. If it doesn't pass a second look, remove it. Either invest in a quality fake that can fool the eye, or get a real low-maintenance plant, like a pothos or snake plant. Real greenery adds life no plastic ever can. Tell me in the comments, real plants or high-quality fakes? I want to know what works best in your home. Number 12. Generic or dated wall art. Mass-produced prints, old posters, art that no longer fits the room. These quietly make a space feel dated. Modern interiors favor fewer, larger pieces over many small ones. One oversized artwork can anchor an entire wall. If budget is tight, even a large canvas painted a soft neutral can work as a sophisticated backdrop. Number 11. Family photos scattered everywhere. Photos make a home feel warm, but when they're on every shelf, every table, every windowsill, they create visual overload. The solution isn't to remove the memories, it's to create one thoughtfully arranged gallery wall and bring everything together there. Same emotional value, a fraction of the visual noise. Number 10. Mismatched or worn bathroom towels. Luxury bathrooms feel cohesive. Coordinated towels, matching textures, nothing fraying at the edges. When your towels are mismatched, faded, or worn thin, they drag down the whole bathroom, no matter how nice the fixtures are. Replace them with a matching set in white, ivory, or soft neutral. It's one of the most affordable upgrades in this entire list. We share simple, affordable home upgrades like this every week. Nothing complicated, nothing expensive. Subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diary so you never miss one. Number 9. Oversized furniture for the room. Proportion is everything in interior design, and almost everyone ignores it. A sofa that's too large for the room makes everything feel cramped. A dining table that fills the space wall to wall leaves no room for the room to breathe. Even expensive furniture looks wrong at the wrong scale. Sometimes removing one oversized piece transforms the entire space. Number 8. Too many small rugs. Multiple small rugs scattered across a room make the floor look fragmented and indecisive. Designers consistently prefer fewer, larger rugs. One well-sized rug under the main seating area ties the furniture together, creates visual flow, and makes the whole room feel intentional. A rug that's too small is worse than no rug at all. Number 7. Heavy, light-blocking window treatments. Natural light makes rooms feel larger, cleaner, and more welcoming. Heavy drapes block this completely, and in doing so, make even a beautiful room feel heavy and closed in. Remove dense linings or replace heavy fabric with lighter linen or sheer panels. Let the light in. The room will feel twice the size at zero extra cost. Number 6. Branded cleaning product bottles on display. Bright orange soap, neon spray bottles, multicolored dishwashing liquid by the sink. These products are designed to catch your eye in a supermarket, not to look beautiful in a home. Transfer everyday products into simple ceramic or frosted glass dispensers. 5 minutes, very little money, and the visual calm it creates in your kitchen is remarkable. We're in the home stretch. Comment your number so far. How many of these are currently in your home right now? Be honest, we're all friends here. Number 5. All trend, no timeless. Trends are exciting when they arrive and painful when they pass. A room decorated entirely around what was popular that year starts looking dated within months. Build your foundation on timeless, quality pieces, neutral furniture, clean lines, classic proportions. Then add just a few current accents that can easily be swapped out when the trend fades. Number 4. Basic, uninspiring light fixtures. Designers call lighting the jewelry of a room. A plain plastic ceiling fixture makes even a well-furnished room feel ordinary. Changing one overhead light to a statement pendant, sculptural ceiling fixture, or warm-toned chandelier can transform the entire atmosphere. This is one of the highest impact changes you can make, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Number 3. A chaotic entryway. The entryway is the first thing anyone sees when they enter your home, including you every single day. Shoes piled up, bags on the floor, coats draped on everything. A cluttered entrance sets a tone of disorder that follows a visitor through the entire house. A clean, calm entry, even a small one, signals that this home is organized and cared for. Remove the overflow. Keep only what belongs. Number 2, furniture pushed against every wall. This is one of the most common layout mistakes in home design, and many people do it thinking it makes the room feel bigger. It actually does the opposite. When all the furniture is against the walls, the room feels empty and disconnected in the middle. Pull seating slightly away from the walls. Create conversation zones. The room becomes warmer, more intimate, and far more designed looking. And number 1, and this is the most important principle in all of home design, and it applies to every room, every surface, every corner. Every object in a truly elegant home either serves a function, adds beauty, or ideally, both. If something does neither, it has no reason to be there. This isn't about being cold or sterile, it's about being intentional. Elegance isn't the result of buying the right things, it's the result of removing everything that doesn't belong. When every object in your home has earned its place, the whole space feels calmer, cleaner, and more refined, not because you spent more money, but because you made better choices. That's our 25. How many of these are still in your home right now? Drop your honest number in the comments below. No judgment here, I promise. Drop your number in the comments and tell me which one surprised you the most. I'll be replying to as many as I can this week. And if this video gave you even one idea to make your home feel better, please subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries. Every week we bring you simple, practical ways to make your home feel more elegant, more comfortable, and more intentional without spending a fortune. Hit the bell too so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.